All right, everybody, so here we're very excited. We're actually building a waterfall, but more than that, we're also dropping in about a 5,000 gallon rainwater harvesting system. So this kind of explains the process. We've got 15 by 15 that's been dug out, and it's 5 feet deep, and we're putting several inches of sand on the very bottom. And we have the pond liner that's been dropped down, and we're going to put geotextile fabric over this. And then once and geotextile fabric actually is underneath here. So this is his geotextile fabric, and then the liner is 45 millimeter EPDM a safe pond liner that we're using by Firestone. And then these are called eco rain tanks. We're actually going to drop these in, and we have everybody working really hard here doing their thing. So we'll do another video, but this is going to show you, this is part one, showing you how it's done. These are the eco rain tanks. This is how they come unassembled, just because we need the space. And then each one of these holds about 33 gallons of water. And the reason they're structural, because we're going to put a patio on top of all this. So we need something that's going to hold water, and then it's going to be hold water, but it's going to be structural, meaning it can hold a lot of weight for patios. Okay, thanks for joining. This is part one. This pile of soil there is actually going to become a waterfall, believe it or not. We've piped it all in, and there's the pipe that's going to be for the waterfall. That's what the stone at the very beginning, that's what that's for. So, okay, it's a little bit of confusion here, but we know what we're doing. A lot of construction out front, but we're so excited. All the water that's going to come off the roof here is going to go down and into this rainwater harvesting system. Okay, thanks for joining. We'll do part two in a few minutes.